Could the accelerated rise in the dollar and U.S. stocks be money flowing away from non-dollar-based assets? As of the recent few weeks, we've seen Italian and Brazilian bond yields rise substantially in our bullish trend. Do you have any thoughts?
Yeah, 100%. We've been saying that for about 5 months, that's the way that it works. So when the world slows, or when you get global divergences, the world flows away from what they were speculating on or carry trading in. So again, when you look at a globally synchronized recovery, if you, Genron, if you want to pop that up, it sounds like we have some new subscribers here. Slide 68. And by the way, it happens all the time. You know, some of our calls, eventually somebody makes it their own call, and that's what Wall Street does. They adopt other people's calls without calling them somebody else's call. But I'm pretty sure we're the only one who had the call on this. If you go to the globally synchronized recovery, this was, again, so you go back to, let's just draw a line. Okay. If you go here, see this period in time backwards? This is the globally synchronized recovery, where all these things are ones and twos. The number one loser in that environment is the US dollar. Because countries like Brazil, which you mentioned, Brazil, China, Eurozone, anywhere, pretty much anything emerging market, Turkey, the lira, you even bought the lira and made money in 16, 17. All those things are going up. So you're funding all these things, carry trades fully loaded with dollars. Dollars are going down. When the world starts to go to these, red light, yellow light, red light, yellow light in the aggregate, you get the hell out of all that stuff. And you bring it home, or you bring it back into the world's reserve currency. That's the dollar. You don't bring it back into crypto. You know that. You don't bring it back into Mexican pesos. You know that. So the number one reason why we've been making this flow call on the US dollar is precisely how you asked the question. So I think you're reiterating what we've been saying, which is the dollar always does fantastic when the world is in what we call quad 4. Quad 4, okay? Quad 4 has the highest expected value. Actually, go to the next chart. If you have that, slide 69. So see how this is the expected value. See this expected value by quadrant, okay? When you're in the first or second quadrant, the expected value of the dollar is down. When the world is in the fourth quadrant, see this quad 4 here? The expected value of the dollar is up. So easy, a hockey player can do it.